Disney friends, it's Mia and today we are at Magic Kingdom. And do you know what we're here for today, Ricky? We're here to say goodbye to Splash Mountain. That's what we're here for. Yes, Splash Mountain closes January 22nd, 2023. And we are going to do a little tribute to this amazing ride that has made both of us very happy here at Walt Disney World and at Disneyland for many, many years. It was the first ride Ricky ever rode with the height requirement. Right, Rick? Yeah, it's very special to him and it's very special to me. We have our Splash shirts on. Here we are with our little Splash shirts on. Okay, let's head on in and hopefully I can contain myself and no tears. Let's go and let's go have a good time. Here we have the 100th year of the Disney Company. Not Disney World, not Disneyland, the Disney Company. It's a 100-year anniversary. So here are some of the items. This is really cool. I like that. I like the hat. Here's for the little ones. Check out the little dress, you guys. Isn't that adorable? Really cute. We're not going over prices today because we're doing Splash Mountain, but we do want to show you some of the 100th year merchandise. Here is a cool cap. Look at this cap with Mickey on it and the 100. Disney 100. And there goes the castle. I'm loving this in gray and purple. And here's a mug with the ears. This is actually pretty neat. If I can open it. No, I can't open it right now. But this is a really neat mug. I love the color. I love the ears on it. Really nice. Here's the jersey. I'm not fond of the colors as much as I like the purple and silver, but it actually is pretty nice. I am loving this hoodie, and so is Ricky. We love the purple color. We love the front, but check out the back, you guys. Look at this. This is awesome. Awesome and amazing. Here are your Crocs. 100th anniversary Crocs. And here is a black hoodie. I think this may have a zipper. I don't know. Let's check it out. Yes. This one here has a zipper. This one is super awesome. Super awesome. Let's clean it up a bit. There is a throw. Here's a pillow. Here's the back of the pillow with a hidden Mickey symbol. And it says Disney 100. It's all silver. It's really, really pretty.
Are you putting a picture of the castle on it?
And here are the tassels.
On the top name.
Gorgeous. Here's Mickey Plush 100th anniversary. Minnie Plush 100th anniversary. And here we have Little Chip and Little Dale. And on this side, we have Pluto. I am loving him with his little 100 collar. That is really super adorable. How you doing, Pluto? Here's another throw. And this one is purple. And this is what it looks like up close. Here's a little jersey for the little one. And here are the ears. They're very nice. Very nice. There are also sweatpants. Here's a water bottle. There you got Mickey on the water bottle, Goofy, and you have Donald. Disney World. I thought these were only going to come out at Disneyland, this collection of the 100th year anniversary of the Disney Company. but it's here at Walt Disney World, and here is a long sleeve tee with Mickey and Minnie. Let me see, is there anything on the back? No. We weren't going to stop in and look at merchandise, but then I heard that the 100th anniversary merchandise was here, so we had to check that out. There is so much merchandise here. I would have to come back on another day and just go through the whole store because there are a lot of new items. Wow. Crowd here is very crowdy.
Why would it?
Wow. Yeah. Actually, this is a nice time for everybody to visit Walt Disney World because it's warm. I think it's 80 degrees today, so it's not so bad. But when the summer months come, it's terrible. And it's crowded. So if it's crowded and it's cool outside, I don't know, for some reason it doesn't feel as crowded. Hi, Jasmine and Aladdin.
We're gonna keep an eye out for a booth.
Hi, you guys. Have a great day.
Bye. Until next time, my friends. See you around.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ricky, say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. You just try it. Say thank you. Adolfo. 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 Yes. So you guys, Ricky got his pineapple and coconut Dole Whip. Adolfo was kind enough because Ricky was having a hard time waiting on the line to get it for us. What a sweetheart. I tell you, if you come with Ricky, somehow somebody always helps him out, which is really nice. I think, you know, when you have a kid with disability and Disney sees that they're having a little bit of a difficult time waiting in line, then and they help them. Wow, I have to say, Adolfo, cast member Adolfo, was amazing. He was sweet. He got it for Ricky like this. We didn't have to wait on the line. Okay, it doesn't happen with every cast member. It doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it's very special. Where is Ricky? Hello, Ricky. Oh no, he's back there. There he is. He's enjoying that Dole Whip. Okay, Brer Rabbit. We are very sad to see you go. We have been on many, many adventures with you in all these years. And we're going to miss you guys. And we're going to miss Brer Fox and Brer Bear too. Well, I know you look sad, right? You look sad. All right, Brer Rabbit. We're just going to take a little bit of video of this beautiful mountain again and go on an adventure inside and just say goodbye. So here, you guys, is the old entrance to Splash Mountain. If you guys didn't know, Splash Mountain opened in 1992. At the time, the head of Disney was Michael Eisner. And here's a fun fact. I was a makeup and hairstylist in New York, and I worked with a famous photographer, Harry Benson, and we worked on Michael Eisner for the New Yorker. And it was photographed. It was a photograph for the New Yorker at the time. And let me see, it was, what year was it? It was in the 90s, I believe. I can't remember the exact year. But anyway, he was very nice. The other person that was in the photo shoot was Jamie Tarses, and she was the head of ABC at the time, and Disney and ABC were merging, so that's why they were doing a big thing for the New Yorker. But I'm telling you, Michael Eisner, he was very nice. I really enjoyed talking to him briefly, because, you know, makeup artists can't really do a lot of talking, but you can briefly talk to him, and it was quick, because the man didn't require a lot of makeup, just a little touch here and there, and he was basically just powder, and he was on the cover of the New Yorker. Anyway, that's just a fun fact. So I was saying this was the entrance to Splash Mountain. Yes, you can go through here, but actually this is the exit for the train. I don't know if you can go through here to get on the train, but I know a lot of people were exiting. Since we haven't been on the train since it opened, I didn't know that. So anyway, we learned something here today. So next time we are here for the train and to do other things, we will explore this little area over here. And we'll see, maybe it'll be closed. We'll see if it's open or closed, or they're going to leave this little area open as they work on Splash Mountain for their new ride. Right, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Here's Brer Rabbit's little area here. He has his stove. He has his cups. This is his home where his mom cooks for him. And you can see the cabbages right to the left in the barrel. And here is the door to his home. Wow, he's moving out soon. Saying goodbye to him, but let me tell you, I don't know if he owns a rent here at Disney, let me tell you, but the rent here in Florida has gone sky high. Our rent just increased 33%. They raised our rent 33%. That is a lot. Okay, it's really busy here. It's a very long wait line. It wraps all the way around. Everybody's wanting to ride Splash Mountain for the last time. Ricky and I are here in the little store at Splash Mountain. There are no Splash Mountain items in the store, but there are the pressed pennies. So we're going to pick up a few of those. And yeah, that's all we got, are those pennies. The last day of Splash Mountain. So here are the pressed collectible pennies. You can see that there is Brer Rabbit, Splash Mountain, Brer Fox, and Mr. Bluebird. Oh, and Brer Bear. And here's Mickey, Goofy, Pluto. I'm not sure what I see there, but anyway, that one says Splash Mountain. These two just say Frontierland. So we're gonna pick up these 6. Actually, we're gonna pick up all 8 because it's 8 for $5. Here we go. You guys want? Ricky, you want to get the pennies out of there? Get the pennies out of the machine. Ricky, get more of our pennies. Yeah. What do we get here? Are there any more pennies in there? No? So we got all 8. So outside of the store, the Splash Mountain store, here you find different pressed pennies. You have Mickey and Minnie, you have Brer Rabbit laughing, you have your vulture right here, and then right here you just have Big Thunder Railroad. Turn it, Rick. Come on, turn it. Crank it. This one you have to crank. Use a little muscle. Turn it. Turn it more. Crank it, Ricky. So that penny drops. More. More, Ricky. Use your muscles. There you go. And here are all our pennies. The other machine was $8, but this one here was only $4. Four.
Make sure you can make mommy sit on the right side and sit on the left side.
Hey, squirrel. Are you moving too? Or are you going to wait here for Tiana? Yeah. Did you say goodbye to Brer Rabbit? Although it saddens us that Splash Mountain is leaving, we have to say that we're very excited for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We're looking around here, and I've said it before that this area really doesn't fit that Louisiana Bayou theme, but I don't know. Disney makes magic, and I'm sure they're going to do something here that's going to blend everything in seamlessly. We're here to pick up our Mickey popcorn bucket, 50th anniversary rainbow bucket right there. And why not? We're going to pick up some popcorn too. Ricky and I are here to meet Mickey. We have a special request, so wait for it. You'll see what the request is in the video. Right over here. Oh, you want me to open it or turn it around? Oh, right there. Hold on to it. Oh. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, you guys. This is the special request. Mickey signed Ricky's popcorn bucket. You can see it says Mickey Mouse. What an adventure we had today, right, Ricky? Yeah? It was good. We saw Brer Rabbit.
I love it.
Yeah? And we got to get Mickey to sign your popcorn bucket. Yeah, yay. Well, we did many things today. Ricky got his Dole Whip from a cast member because Ricky's a great kid, isn't he? Yeah? All the kids out there deserve a Dole Whip, don't they? Yeah? All right, well, you ready to go home?
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
That's not nice.
Again, welcome aboard, folks. Glad to have you on board with us. Be sure to watch your step as you